How to turn off auto open doors in Apex Legends Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process, so please follow along with me and watch this video until the very end because you don't want to miss any step. This is a very easy process, and also if you're a new viewer, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Trying to provide you here with solutions for your problems, so if that's an interest for you, consider subscribing. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now all you need to do, guys, is to go to settings. Settings is right down below here. Either you're on phone or iPad, doesn't matter, it's still on here. Still on settings, are still on here. So now tap on settings, and now all you need to do is to go to basic. Okay, basic is right here, and now what you need to do is to go to, first of all, you need to select advanced setup and then more options. Okay, I have selected advanced setup, and now go to more options, and here you can see, guys, auto open doors, and you can easily, mine is turn off or on. Here we have auto open doors. Now all you need to do is to turn off auto open doors. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you in the next one. Take care.